with another video. I'm going to be giving you 4 tips on how to get over a breakup. If you're going through a breakup right now, I just want to let you know you're not alone. It's okay, and you'll get through this. I know it feels like the worst thing ever. Nothing makes any sense. You can't eat. Up is down is up. You just lost your world. And it only makes sense that you feel this way. But I'm here to tell you, you'll adapt, you'll overcome, and you'll be a better version of yourself. Without further ado, let's get started. 4 tips on how to get over a breakup. So let's start with tip number 1. There's no way around it. You have to allow yourself some time to grieve. This person was a huge part of your life. They were your lover, your best friend, your everything, your world. You need to grieve that loss as if it was a death. And I'm not being dramatic. You need to see it that way. And for that reason, you got to let those emotions out. You know, it's a lot of emotions, and you have to let that out. The sooner you allow yourself to feel those emotions and go through those emotions, the sooner you'll start accepting the situation for what it is, and the sooner you'll move on. Tip number 2, try not to contact your ex unless it's absolutely necessary. I just miss her, bro. Don't do it. It's a mistake. Listen, distance sucks, but it's necessary. Usually after a breakup, people say, hey, let's be friends. They think that's something that's possible to do. It's not. Not immediately, at least. I'm sure you can be friends in the long run, you know, after you've allowed time. Keyword here, time. Yeah, I can see that possibly happening, but after a breakup, there's no way you guys can just be friends. There was too many emotions there, you know? We'll see how you feel when they've moved on, or there's somebody new in the picture, or they're dating. You're not gonna like that. Your heart's not gonna like that. Remaining friends immediately after a breakup, you're shooting yourself in the foot, bud. And trust me, I've tried it before. Doesn't work. Listen, the quicker you can adjust to life without them, the better you'll be in the long run, especially for your healing process. It's gonna be tough in the beginning. Really tough. Like, you went from talking to this person every single day, maybe even seeing this person every single day, doing everything with them, and it's like they're gone. You know what I mean? You just got to go through that, and it'll be better for you in the long run. You'll thank yourself in the long run. Tip number 3, make plans with your friends. Right after a breakup, your heart's gonna be a little fragile. Poor fella just went through a breakup. Poor fella's a little wounded, it's a little hurt. You gotta take care of him. And one of the ways to take care of your heart while you're going through a breakup is to hang out with your friends. Surround yourself with good people, people that make you laugh, people that you can have a good time with, go out and get drinks with, go to dinner, lunch with. And while you're doing this, while you're hanging out with your friends, you won't be thinking about your ex. Final tip. Tip number 4, return back to the things you loved. Whatever passions you had, whatever fun activities you used to do before you met that certain person, return back to it. When we meet someone new and we start spending lots and lots of time with them, usually some of our favorite activities tend to slip away. And that's natural, because sometimes we make the mistake of making that significant other our world. Don't do it. It's a mistake. Make sure you have a life outside of your partner, and don't let anyone tell you different. And if you feel like your partner is keeping you away from doing the things that you love because they're so needy, they need so much attention, run. For real, run, bro. Do the race. So go back to doing yoga. Go back to playing ball with the homies. Go hiking. Whatever it is that you love doing, go back to it, because it'll help you in your healing process. And that's it. Those are my 4 tips to get over a breakup. If you guys would want to see another video on this, please make sure to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We trying to build this channel, baby. We trying to get up there. My goal right now is to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's like main goal right now. So I'm gonna keep pumping out these videos until I get there, you know, and then we'll see how big this channel gets. You know, I hope you guys are behind me, and we'll get there. Real talk. All right, enough talking shit and being passionate. Again, if you're going through a breakup, you're not alone. You're very strong. You're very resilient. You will get through this. You will adapt. You will overcome, and you will be a better version of yourself. Okay? And on that note, I am